Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you Mangalorean style kana fish fry or lady fish fry. This is fish coated with homemade masala and rava. Traditional fishes used for this fish fry are bangda, kingfish, soulfish, ladyfish, silverfish, etc. As I said earlier, fish is an integral part of our food habit. This fish fry is crispy outside, moist and soft inside. The best part of it is you can keep it ready before time and fry whenever required. Do try this crispy and delicious recipe at home. Rava fish fry is crisp and delectable as it is rolled in suji or semolina. I always mix a little rice flour with suji. Fish is always shallow fried at my place. I do not deep fry it as it requires a lot of oil and that oil cannot be reused as it has a fishy smell and the masalas in it. So let's check out the ingredients. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you try this recipe, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's get started. Here I have taken 5 pieces of lady fish. Wash it and give slits to it. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as required. Here I am using 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of spicy chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder gives a nice color to the fish. Kane fish is very delicate and it doesn't require much of spices. So add accordingly. 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix all this and coat the fish. If you are coating the fish with semolina or rice flour, you need to add a little more spices, otherwise after frying the fish will be very bland. But if you are not going to roll it in anything and just fry it as it is, you can reduce the chili powder. Marinate and leave it for a couple of hours, minimum 4 to 5 hours, or you can marinate overnight for best results. Just before frying, give it a nice good mix and dust it in semolina. Here this is semolina and rava mixed, semolina and rice flour mixed together. I always mix it and keep it, or you can use either of them. Some do use wheat flour also for frying. Add oil as required. Suji or rava tends to absorb a little extra oil while frying. And fry it on a slow flame. This fish cooks very fast and is very delicate. Be careful while turning and tossing the fish. You can fry this as crisp as you want or as soft as you like. I usually fry it till medium done, but I do like the very crispy fried ones also. Be very gentle. As I said, kane fish is very delicate to handle. Tends to break very easily. Cover it while cooking. You can deep fry them, but I usually don't deep fry fish. Let it come to a nice golden brown color and you are done. Fish fry is best served with simple dal and rice, steamed rice. We don't like to have fried fish with chapatis or bread. In fact, dal and rice and fish fry is a best combo. It's like a match made in heaven. So do give it a try. I'm sure you too will enjoy this fish fry. If kane fish is not available, you can use sole fish, that is lepa in Hindi, or surmai, bangda, or even silverfish. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Take care. See you soon with a new interesting recipe.